Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devi Novitasari. I would like to explain about speech comprehension, speech prediction, and speech acquisition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Speech comprehension. Speech comprehension is actually about understanding speech threads, the beginning of speech comprehension from the word. It was, however, impossible to finalize the very beginning of speech comprehension in children. Speech comprehension is our ability to hear sounds and transform them into information. When sounds enter our ears, it travels to the auditory cortex of the brain where it is turned into information and stored in our memory. As children, this is how we learn and make sense of the world around us, through our hearing and an understanding of speech. Next, speech comprehension is the identification of the speech signal against an auditory background and its transformation into information. Beginning at a young age, we learn information from speech and hearing. When we hear sounds, the brain processes those sounds into information and then store them as a memory. So when we hear that sound again, we can correlate a meaning to it. Next, I want to explain about speech production. Speech production is the process by which talk are translated into speech. This includes the selection of words, the organization of relevant grammatical form, and then the articulation of the resulting sounds by the motor system using the vocal apparatus. Speech production can be spontaneous, such as when they name a picture or word, or imitative, such as in speech repetition. Speech production is not the same as language production since language can also be produced manually by signs. Next, the vocal production of speech may be associated with the production of hand gesture that acts to enhance the comprehensibility of what is being said. The development of speech production throughout an individual's life starts from an infant, first babble and is transformed into fully developed speech by the age of 5. And then I want to explain about speech acquisition. Speech acquisition focuses on the development of spoken language by a child. Speech consists of an organized set of sounds or phonemes that are used to convey meaning, while language is an arbitrary association of symbols used according to prescribed rules to convey meaning. Next, while grammatical and syntactic learning can be seen as a part of language acquisition, speech acquisition focuses on the development of speech perception and speech production over the first years of a child's lifetime. There are several models to explain the norm of speech sound or phoneme acquisition in children. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.